To set up your project settings for VR development, first navigate to the ribbon in the top left of the editor. Then select the Edit option. In the drop-down that appears, select the Project Settings option. In the Project Settings window, make sure to go to the left list of options and then select XR Plugin Management. Make sure that this button that says Initialize XR on Startup is checked for all platforms. Now navigate back to where you found the XR Plugin Management and select the XR Interaction Toolkit option. You're going to want to select the Use XR Device Simulator in Scenes option. This may prompt you to download the prefab for this object, and if it does, do so. And then this will allow you to test your game with a headset. So this is very useful for when you're doing VR development. Once it is done here, all right. Now you're going to go to the tab that says Project Validation. Then you want to make sure that the Show All option is checked for the Mac, Windows, and Linux settings, and for the Android settings. This will help you find any errors with your project, and the Fix button will help you fix those errors if they show up. This is really useful for bug fixing, so take advantage of this. And those are all of the recommended project settings for this project, and I wish you luck moving forward with it.